Go siame. Go siame. Goodbye. Ke tla go bona. Ke tla go bona. See you. Robala sentle. Robala sentle. Sleep well. Boroko. Boroko. Good night. Ke tla go bona kamoso. Ke tla go bona kamoso. See you tomorrow. Ke tla go bona kgantele. Ke tla go bona kgantele. See you later. Tsamaya. Tsamaya. Go or leave. Ke a tsamaya. Ke a tsamaya. I am leaving. Tsamaya sentle. Tsamaya sentle. Go well or leave well. Go sharp. Go sharp. It is good.
Conversations with friends will often provide you with an opportunity to say goodbye when going your separate ways. In this video lesson, we'll teach you some of the most common ways that you bid farewell to someone.
Some very common informal salutations include it's good, go siame, and it's sharp, go sharp.
Other ways to say goodbye are context sensitive. For example, if you've been visiting someone at their home and you are leaving, you might say, remain well, sala sentle. But if you are both leaving or your friend is going somewhere, you might say, travel well, tsamaya sentle. If you are parting to go to sleep, you could say, sleep well, robala sentle, or night, boroko.
Lastly, there are two common phrases that are used in parting. I will see you tomorrow. Ke tla go bona kamoso. I'll see you later. Ke tla go bona kgantele.
Now we will demonstrate the usage of these phrases in a few short dialogues.
Dumela ma, o tsogile?
Dumela rra, ke tsogile sentle.
Sala sentle, ma.
Ke tla go bona kgantele rra.
Dumela ma,
Dumela rra,
o tlhotse jang?
ke tlhotse sentle.
Sala sentle ma.
Tlhola sentle rra.
Dumela ma,
Dumela rra,
o tlhotse jang?
ke tlhotse sentle. Wena,
Ke tlhotse sentle.
ke tla go bona kamoso.
Tsamaya sentle.